lounge is being refueled. As a safety precaution, please unfasten your seatbelt and put your seatbelt upright. Use of electronics such as laptops, mobile phones, tablets, and any smart producing equipment is not allowed. Smoking is strictly prohibited. May we request all guests to stow your hand luggage properly under the seat or in the storage bins above you. If you are seated next to an emergency exit, read carefully the passenger information located on your seat. If you do not wish to perform the functions described in case of emergency, please fasten your belt to the seat. Sa mga panahon ng pagpapok sa exit rows, basta rin lamang ang passenger information kung sa inyong
Day. Turn. Turn it.
May we request all guests to stow your hand luggage properly under the seat or in the storage bins above you. If you are seated next to an emergency exit, read carefully the passenger information located on your seat. If you do not wish to perform the functions described in case of emergency, please be careful to the seat. Sa mga panahon ng pagpapok sa exit rows, basahin mo lamang ang passenger information card kung sa inyong kalagayan.
We are now ready to depart for Cagayan, Oro. Diplomatic aircraft is captain Young Dog from our assisted by First Officer Emo Victor Camilo. The flight time is approximately 20 minutes. Kami pa ni Bertino, captain Young Dog Officer sa Sibong Kailangan Official Emo Victor Camilo. Ngayon pa ilipan, may unang dalawang minuto.
Ladies and gentlemen, please direct your attention to your cabin crew who will demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. Each seat is provided with a seatbelt. To fasten, push ends together. Tighten seatbelt by pulling loose end. To unfasten, lift top of buckle and pull free end to release. In case of water landing, your life vest is found under your seat. Remove sharp objects from your body. To don, slip vest over the head. Take tape around the waist and push end to buckle. Pull tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull inflation ties to inflate vest. Manual inflation is done by means of the red tubes. Blow to increase air, and push pins inward to release air. Light automatically eliminates once the battery is immersed in water. Do not inflate the life vest inside the aircraft. Please be reminded that unauthorized removal of life vest from the aircraft constitutes theft and is punishable by law. In case of rapid change in cabin pressure, oxygen masks will automatically drop from the compartments above you. Immediately drop the mask and pull towards you to over your nose and mouth. Roll the elastic band sideways, close to it, and leave it warm. Let your aircraft first and process to this. Keep it on until you're ready to remove it. In case of emergency evacuation, follow the lights that will lead to the exits. For further information, please refer to the passenger briefing card found in your pocket. This aircraft is equipped with emergency exit signs found in the cabin. The location of the nearest exit may be behind you. Each cabin door is equipped with a slide rack. In any eventuality, your guests must leave their bags and immediately proceed to the usable exits. There are also fire extinguishers needed. Activation of the device is indicated on the equipment itself. We are about to take off. Strap your seats, fasten seatbelts securely, keep window shades open, and tray tape.
Very good, United States.
Hello everyone to the Pacific Welcome to Cagayan International Airport. We are pleased to announce that we have decided to pull out our scheduled time of arrival. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please check your surroundings, ensure you do not leave any of your personal belongings behind. Be cautious with opening overhead bins as heavy items may have moved during the flight. Yan, po, nakikita ko po at tingin mo ng kalangin sa fasten seatbelt sign bago tumayo para bumili ng iyong mga pagkakitaan. Nais yung magiging parang sa ito gamit ng palikuran kung saan sa tingin ko ay may business na pabawal. On behalf of your entire Pacific team, and the flight crew, Captain Officer and First Officer Nico, together with your cabin crew, thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moments. It was really a pleasure having you all on board, and we hope to buy you some more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying Cebu Pacific. We ask that you keep your area clean and tidy. Kindly clear your seat pockets of any remaining litter, and please make these adhesives to leave your seats. You may dispose these in the bins near the exits. We seek your cooperation in ensuring that no litter is left behind the aircraft. Thank you. Muli po namin pinalala sa lahat ng panauhin na huwag mag-iwan ng mga bagay na nais niyo may tapos sa loob ng aeroplano. Mangyari po lamang na nandito mga ito sa inyong pagbaba. Maraming salamat po. And for guests with infants, the infant flight bus shall be directed after disembarkation. For safety reasons, leave the infant flight bus inside the seat pocket and be reminded that the non-direct removal of the flight bus from the aircraft is a serious offense.
Sabi siya. Takas na siya. Saan gilili? Saan gilili niya? Sabi siya, saan gilili? Ha? Ah.
The crew software for arrival cross-check.
There is please remain seated and this is just a cabin procedure in the procedure. Again, please wait for the fasten seatbelt sign to be switched off. Thank you.